Hello ladies and gentlemen, Armour Kang here, Fine and Country Estate Agents in East Cheshire and South Manchester. Hope you're well. So today we are in Rushton Spencer, right on the east of Cheshire on the Staffordshire border, in a fantastic estate known as Swythamley Hall. Now the Swythamley Hall estates date back to 1888, comprises of about 3 or 4 properties scattered in a protected deer land of 140 acres. It's purely private and purely for the residents only. The property we're here to look at today is quite a centrepiece amongst the properties on this site, known as the Tenants Hall. Now the Tenants Hall is a 4-bedroom, 4 ensuite, beautifully designed property. It's full of character, quite a quirky design. It's got some beautiful formal gardens at the back, a double garage, and today we're going to take a look around. Okay ladies and gentlemen, well thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure you'll agree, an absolutely stunning property. We're in an absolutely amazing location here. It's protected deer land, it's absolutely serene, the sun's out today, the sheep are playing in the field. It's an absolutely beautiful part of the world, and yet we're only 20 minutes from Prestbury with all the hustle and bustle of the town centre just there. We're near some really good schools as well, some nice restaurants obviously in Prestbury and beyond, and Buxton and Leek are just a stone's throw away as well. So if you'd like to learn more about this property or arrange a viewing, give us a call or drop us an email on the details you're about to see on your screen. and hopefully I'll see you soon.